Hello friends, the Moderna US biotechnology company has announced its end-stage clinical trials of its mRNA 1273 vaccine. It is a messenger RNA vaccine and the trials on mice are successful of this vaccine. The doses required for the end-stage trials are already prepared. The 30,000 volunteers are included in its phase 3 clinical trials. Moderna is one of the leading company which is developing vaccine in USA. The dose of the vaccine is decided to be 100 microgram. It is decided after analyzing data from its first phase clinical trials. In phase 1, this vaccine is found to be safe and shown good antibody response in the volunteers. This is mRNA vaccine, that is messenger RNA vaccine. This vaccine encodes the spike protein present on the coronavirus. When this messenger RNA enters into the body, it enters into cell and encodes the spike protein of the virus. In the cell of body, the spike proteins of virus are produced, and these spike proteins are neutralized by the antibodies in the body. So the immunity is developed in body against the spike proteins of this virus. So whenever in future if you get infected with coronavirus, the body has already antibodies to fight against the spike protein of coronavirus. This spike protein helps the coronavirus to enter into the cell and hijack the machinery of the cell to produce its millions of copies. Because of these antibodies, the spike proteins get neutralized and the virus cannot get into the cell, and thus the person who is vaccinated is protected against the coronavirus disease. Using this messenger RNA technique, Moderna is already producing vaccines against 9 viruses like cytomegalovirus, Zika virus, parainfluenza virus. This mRNA technique developed by the Moderna is new. The traditional vaccines require to grow pathogen into the culture media in laboratory. This technique doesn't require to grow these viruses into the culture media. Hence, the vaccine produced by these techniques takes less time. Hence, this vaccine is produced within a span of few months. Otherwise, with traditional methods, it takes years to develop vaccine. By using these techniques, large-scale production of the vaccine can be done in a short span of time. Moderna is planning to produce around 500 million to 1 billion doses per year in coming future. If the results of phase 3 trials are found to be promising, the mRNA 1273 vaccine will be available in market and the world will be able to fight against COVID-19 infection successfully. Hope the phase 3 trials of this vaccine will be successful, and in recent future this vaccine will be available for people all over the world. Thank you.